Did you know that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis? It's a common myth. Many believe that the sound of cracking is harmful. But guess what? When you crack your knuckles, you're simply releasing gas bubbles from the joint fluid. Research shows that knuckle crackers develop just as much arthritis as non-crackers. So if you crack your knuckles, you're not harming yourself. Instead, let's dive into the facts. Joint movement can be beneficial. It can improve flexibility and may even reduce stiffness. So next time someone tells you that you're damaging your joints, share this info. Empower your friends with knowledge and bust that myth. Remember, understanding the truth is powerful.